Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Here's a quick little video for you on the Blue Bomber. If you have windshield washers, which you usually do, there's one there and there's one there. What happens is you can put a new pump on, which is right under here. There's two pumps there. One is for the front windshield and one is for the back. This is the one that was acting like it wasn't working. I took it apart, pulled this off the top, and lubed it up with our special Planet Safe. And Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located. Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. This is the line that comes from the pump. You can actually take this line that goes down to the pump and blow on it. And if you listen, that's me blowing air into the reservoir. This line is clogged with something clogging the spray nozzles. So what you do is you can't blow air through here because whatever debris is in there will not blow out through the nozzle. So you have to take your air compressor and put it on right there. See it come out the other side? You do both of them, and whatever debris is in there will blow out this line. You're reversing it. So you can put all the new pumps on you want, but if there's a clog in these lines, which runs all through this cowl, you will not get any water coming out of it. It was not coming out at all. It was just barely dripping. So let me show you what it's doing now. Look at that. And of course, when you're driving down the road, that gets shot up onto the glass. Doesn't get any better than that right there. So you have to blow air in the nozzles to clear the line. Hope this helps you guys and gals. And as we always say, Sweet Project Cars out.